What's going on, everybody? I hope and pray that you all are just doing incredibly well. So on today's video, I want to share with you a tactical tip that I guarantee will start helping you generate leads and close more deals. And guess what? It's free. It's not going to cost you a single dime. All right. Now, before I dive into it, please like, subscribe, share all those amazing things. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Clifford Walker here, known as the Cowboy Closer. I have been helping people transform their life through real estate investing. So the goal with this channel is to actually give you tactical tips and strategies that you can go and use and implement so that way you're able to make the kingdom impact that you want to make through real estate investing, okay? I have personally coached over 5,000 people, and that is not an exaggeration, all right? And so I know what it takes to make it in this industry, okay? And I've been doing this full time since 2019, all right? Now, on this video, what I want to share with you is a secret that so many people overlook, and it's really not even a secret. I just don't know why people don't do that. And so when we have so many new investors getting started, or when there's a new investor getting started, rather, I don't know why this is, but they like to keep it a secret. They don't tell people what they're doing. They don't make posts about it. They don't share it. They keep it like it's this top secret government file that you can't share with anybody, whatever it may be. Listen, I guarantee you this, and I want you to put in the comments, guarantee, okay? If you make a post on your personal Facebook page one time a day for at least 30 days, I guarantee you, you will start generating leads, okay? You will be surprised how many people that you're connected to that are going through situations, right? People you went to school with, college with, old jobs that you used to work at, whatever it may be, right? My wife and I, when we first got married, or when we first started dating, rather, we were living together in this little apartment in Irving, Texas. And so underneath that apartment, because we lived on the second floor, the neighbor there saw my post. This was like 14, 15 years ago that we lived in that apartment. And so he commented on one of my posts and said, "Hey, I saw that you buy houses. I got a family that inherited a house. They don't know what to do with it," right? That's just one example. I had another property that we recently closed on that was a referral that somebody sent us. You will be surprised how many people will respond. And this post can be something super simple. I'll share with you some examples. Like, I have this Google file here. And if you comment below and you want this Google file, just let me know and I'll share it with you, okay? But it says like this. It says, "Hey, family, friends, as some of you may know, I'm an active real estate investor. I buy houses for cash. If you or anybody you know is looking to sell, regardless of the situation or condition, please reach out to me. I also pay referral fees on every single deal that I close," right? That's it. And so this is 11 different posts, basically saying the same exact way or saying the same exact thing in a completely different way, okay? So use this, utilize this, and leverage this, and watch how many people start reaching out to you that you knew from back in the day. Guarantee you'll start getting deals. Let me know how it works for you. I'll see you on the next one.